There, I just wanted to make this quick video if your T128 is not connecting to PS5. So I just found this tip for you. Maybe it's going to help you to actually fix the issue. So you want to hold the mode button, and this is the button that you want to hold. This one right here. Hold the mode button until the light above the PS button flashes. Keep hold over the mode button and press right in the D-pad until it's blue. Let go of everything and it should be done. So head to, oh my god, sorry. Head to hold mode and change the LED from green to blue to connect to PS5. So this is like the solution for it. And yeah. So I hope it's going to fix you. If it does, let me down in the comments. If not, I'm sorry. And have a great day and goodbye.